How to change currency in Temu app. Hey everyone, welcome to our channel. This is Rose and I'm here to guide you on how to change currency in Temu application. So do watch the video till the end and without any further ado, let's dive right into the video. First of all, download and install the Temu application on your device and make sure to launch the application. When you're on this section, you need to log in and sign in to your account to proceed towards any step. Now, select the U button or the profile icon at bottom center of the screen. You will reach on this section where you have to select the gear icon or settings icon at top right corner of the screen. On the settings page, scroll down. And in order to change currency in Temu application, first of all, you have to choose country and region whose currency you wanna get or change on your Temu application. For that, select country and region at top of the screen. For example, if you want to get your currency as yen, then you have to choose the country or region as Japan. So for now, let's choose United States as I want my currency in US dollar. Once you have chosen, you need to come back to this section and maybe you are supposed to log into your account back again. And when you see your currency, you will see that later it will be changed to USD, that is the US dollar. So in this way, you can easily change currency in Temu application. I hope this video helped you. If you are new to our channel, hit the like button and subscribe for more tech and tips videos. Thank you for watching.